It's cold, we got some snow, and we're gonna be doing a little bit of trout fishing today. There's this kid who just like stalks me on social media. He just messages me on Instagram like every single day. He just doesn't leave me alone. He tries to show up at my house and stuff, and it's just really weird. I'm just kidding. I've actually fished with him before. Today we are gonna be fishing with a subscriber. I got Jake back here. He actually lives pretty close to me, and he has a pond that's stocked with rainbow trout and salmon and stuff like that. So he invited me over to, you know, do just that. We're gonna try and catch some rainbows. I got a fly rod with me today with a streamer, so we're gonna, you know, break out the fly rod, see if we can get a couple of trout. And then I also got this really tiny micro crankbait that I wanna see if the you know, trout will be feeling. So we don't got much daylight. We have like 2 hours before it gets dark, maybe less. And yeah, I don't know, we're gonna see what happens. You wanna say hi, Jake? Hey. All right, we're gonna move over to the GoPro and do some fishing. Dude, I haven't picked up a fly rod in a minute either, but I mean, it's just something I did for a while. I don't know, the thing is rainbows, man, rainbows can get real finicky, especially stocked rainbows. Because primarily they are fed like starch when they're at the farm and stuff, as far as I know, like corn and all kinds of stuff. Yeah, so that's why a lot of stock trout will eat corn or like maggots and stuff like that. Sometimes they're fired up and they'll hit at literally everything, and sometimes they won't hit anything at all. So I'm gonna throw a streamer right now just for fun. About to walk to the other side and try that. Oh, I just got whacked actually. I just got whaled. I think I just had a bite. I don't know. Did I just have the first bite? Oh, I just lost one. Oh, not for long. Oh, you kidding me? Wait, there's one right here. Come on, come back on. Oh, come on. He's thinking about it. He's literally watching it. He chased it all the way up. Come on, got him. There we go. I watched that one happen. I knew they'd eat it. Took long enough. Boom. Now this is my favorite part, where they just go berserk. All right. You know, gotta love the whole trout etiquette thing here. You gotta wet your hands, and probably shouldn't let them touch the grass, but I will. Come on. Here we go, ready? Come. Come on, Sally. Boom. First little trout. They're too squirming, but here we go. Little stock trout on the micro crankbait. That was funny. I watched him follow it up, and he was like, I'll think about it. I'll think about it. And then he finally committed to it. Try and wipe my hands off in the... I'm only gonna catch a couple on this, and then I'm gonna go try the fly rod. Cause you know, fly rod's cooler. What? Oh, I just missed another one. Oh, come on, why you gotta do that to me? Oh no, no, not, Ah! I literally keep watching them swim after it, and then they're like, nah, I'm good. The rainbows. They're like little muskies right now. Oh, you sucker. That was a big one. Was it? Yeah. Dang. Well, that should have been like 3. Oh, that's good. Well, boys, that might be it for the crankbait. I caught a snag. Well, guys, there goes the micro crankbait. I guess we're gonna have to switch over to something different here now. That was the only one I brought with me too, darn it. Oh, shoot.
I've got all sorts of different
We're gonna try this bumblebee looking thing.
Yeah, I was gonna throw that, but I'm like, I don't know how bait catcher works with that.
Well, I'm gonna take the fly rod with me, and I'm going to that hot spot. I just got good vibes about. I bet you 20 bucks I'll get this somehow caught in a tree over there. But you know, all right. So I was gonna use a trout worm, but Jake had this tasty looking. You know what? I somehow managed to get this streamer in my boot. So Jake was cool enough to let me, you know, a little traditional rooster tail, which I guess will probably get it done. And yeah, we're gonna try this out a little bit, catch a couple of fish, and try and catch one on the fly then. We'll see if this gets it done. Oh, your boy's on. There she is. Oh, it popped off. I knew I shouldn't have been that easy. You know, I'm like, what, 1 for 3 right now? You know, what are the odds that I got the same thing twice? Oh, man. All right, well, there goes that. You know, it's just a great day for me in the fishing realm. I don't know how, there's like a line in the water or something I keep snagging on. So there goes that nonsense and that streamer. So I guess we're gonna go over to the other side and try and catch a trout on the rooster tail again. Ay, ay, ay. But what happened? You backlash? You know, 5 minutes ago I was like, my hands really aren't that bad, and then all of a sudden, like, now they're just freezing. The trout, they're not feeling it. Huh? Oh, absolutely. You wouldn't even be thinking about it. Oh. I was so close to making it out of here without any mud. Oh boy, it's just one of those days. You called it.
Are you filming?
Huh? Oh yeah, of course.
Oh yeah, it's the best.
Okay, my hands are literally freezing. I made the genius decision to not bring gloves. Why? When it's 30 degrees out. It's probably colder than 30 degrees out. It's like 28, 25 degrees. Anyways, my hands are numb. I broke off 2 lures, or a fly and a crankbait, which don't even know how that happened. Ended up catching 1 fish. I probably lost like 4. Jake got 2. I didn't really get them on video because he was on the other side of the lake. He got 2. And yeah, I don't know. Hey, we had fun. It was cool. It's just stock trout, nothing too crazy. You know, it's just cold out, and it's just hard to get out and go fishing this time of year. So doing stuff like this makes it, you know, interesting, makes it different kind of fun. So you guys know the deal. Social media links are down below if you guys want to hit me up on Instagram. I'm always posting updates and stuff on there. Shout out to Jake. His Instagram will be down below. This is the 2nd time I fished with him, so it's cool. It's cool to get out there and just fish with subs and stuff like that. Literally didn't know this kid. He just happened to be from the same area, and he follows me on YouTube. It's kind of cool. So other than that, guys, I'm freezing my butt off. I gotta walk back to the truck, so we will catch you guys in the next video.